Legends of Learning presents the Fossil Hunter game. This is a science game that makes learning about the fossil record fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, hunt for fossils by digging deeper and deeper and help archaeologists to organize the fossil record. For digging, point and click to dig up tiles underground. For ordering fossils, swipe up and down over the dig area to see the order in which the fossils were dug up. Drag and drop to reorder the fossils in the correct relative order. For ordering layers, drag and drop to reorder the layers in the correct relative order, using the now properly ordered fossils as a reference. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.